this is the example. Not this, yes. 525 divided 3. Okay, so I will explain this example for you to remember together how we will divide this multi-digit number, which is a 100 number, on 3. I told you, first thing, you have to put the dividend under the leader, the line leader here. So this is the divisor also, 3. And I will start the division. Girls, please focus with me. How I will divide this multi-digit number on one-digit number. First thing, I will start with the first digit on the left side, which is 5. Can I divide it 5 on 3? Can I divide it 5 on 3? Yes. 5 greater than 3. So I can divide it. How many 3's in one 5? How many 3's? Just one. Very good, Bisan. So I have 1 3 in the 5. So I will put 1 where? In the hundredths digit, right? 1 in the hundredths digit. The first digit is 100. Now I will multiply the step number 2. I have to multiply 1 with 3 equals what? Equals 3. Then I have to subtract, right? This is the strategy for the division. Now 5 minus 3 equals what? Equals 2. Now what I have to do, I have to take the 2 and put it next, or the 2, put it next to the another 2. So the number becomes what? 22 tenths. Now we will divide the tenth number. So the number will be in the 10th digit. Now, what is the number that I will multiply it with 3? It will give me the closest answer for 22. The closest number. Very good, Duha. Very good, Zain. Very good, Lana. Excellent. So if you multiply 3 with 7, type just one time, please. 3 multiply 7 equals what? Equals 21. Okay, so 21 close to 22. That's mean the answer for this division is 7 in the 10th digit. Now I will multiply 7 with 3. 7 multiply 3 equals what? Equals 21. Now, after that, I have to subtract 21 from 22. Now, 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We finished the 10th digit. Now, what about the ones? I will take the ones and put it next to the 1. So the number becomes what? The number becomes 15. 15, what? 15 ones. Now 15 divided 3. What is the number that I will multiply it with 3? The answer will be 15. What is the number? Very good, Zain, Lana. Very good. The number is 5. Very good, Kinda. Very good, Bisan. The number is 5 because 5 multiplied 3 equals 15. So I will put 5 in the ones digit. Now 5 multiplied 3 equals 15. So I will put 15 in here. And then I will subtract. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So what is the answer for this division? 175. So those the steps to divide multi-digit number on one-digit number. If you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat. Yes, write your question, Lana, please. Okay. Which result, Lana? Stop typing, Sana, please. Stop typing on the chat. What are you typing? Okay, which result? The quotient is greater than what? Or more than the answer? What is the answer? The quotient is the answer, Lana. The quotient is the answer for the division. That means the answer for 530 or 25 divided the 3 equals what? Equals 175. We name the answer is a quotient. We name it a quotient. The quotient is the answer for the division. Okay, girls, now let's return now, or let's move to the next example on page 100 or 260. 260. Now I want to divide 800 or not 800 here, 8523 by 8. Let's see now how I will divide those numbers. I want to divide, not multiply, Bisan. First step, girls. What is the answer for this division? The answer means the quotient. The answer is the quotient, which is the number will be here, up. Okay? Now, I told you have to start from the first digit on the left side, which is 8. Okay? Now, 8 divided 8. 8 divided 8. What is the number that I will multiply it with 8? It will give me 8. Of course, it's 1. So look, because 8, I can divide it on 8. That's mean this is a thousandth digit. That's mean the first digit in the quotient is a thousandth. 8 divided 8 equals 1 in the thousandth digit. So I will put 1. Now, 1 multiply 8 equals 8. Then I will subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So I finish the thousand. I will take what here? I want you to focus here with me. I will take what? I will take the 5. I will take the 5 and put it here. Now, 5 divided 8. How many 8s in the 5? How many 8s in the 5? You have 1? 1 8 in 5? Very good, Lana. Very good. Your answer is correct. I don't have any 8 in the 5. Look, 5 is less than 8. 8 or 5 is less than 8. So I don't have any 8 in the 5. So the number of 8s in 1 5 is 0. So I will put 0 in the what? In the hundreds here, above the hundreds. So 0 multiply 8 equals 0. Okay? Then I will subtract. 5 minus 0 equals 5. So this is the answer for dividing the hundredths digit on the 8. What I have to do? I will take what? The tens. Now I want to divide a tenth number. The tenth number. 52 divided 8. What is the number that I will multiply it with 8? It will give me the closest number to 52. We have to return to the multiplication table. What is the number that I will multiply it with 8? It will give me the closest number to 52. 8 multiply 7 equals what, girls? No, it's not 7. 8 multiply 7. It's less than 7. Yes, of course. Very good, girls. So, it will be what? It will be 6. Very good. So, I will take 6 because 8 multiply 6 equals what? Equals 48. I can't take 7 because 8 multiply 7 equals 56, and 56 greater than 52. So I will choose what? 6. So how many 8s in 152? I have 6 8s. So I will put the 6 in the tenth digit because I divide here tenth number. Then I will multiply 6 with 8. 6 multiply 8 equals 42. So I will put 42 here. 48, sorry. Then I have to subtract. 2 minus 8 equals what? I can't take 8 from the 2, so I have to borrow from the 5. This one will be 4, and this 2 will be 12. Now 12 minus 8 equals what? Equals 4. Very good, girls. And 4 minus 4 equals 0. Did I finish here? No, there is a ones, the ones number. I have to take the ones and put it next to the 4, so it will be 3. Now 43 divided 8. What is the number that I will multiply it with 8? It will give me the closest number to 43. What is the number that I will divide it with 8? or multiply it with 8, it will give me the closest number to 43. Very good, Kenzie. Very good, Lana. Very good, Zain. 5 multiply 8 or 8 multiply 5 equals 40. Right? So 40 is the closest number to 43. So 43 divided 8 equals what? Equals 5 in the ones digit. Now I will multiply the 5 with the 8. 5 multiply 8 equals 40. Then I have to subtract. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so there is a number left with me. There is a number left with me. I told you this number, we name it what? Remainder. Very good, girls. Very good. This is a remainder. Why? Because 3, I can divide it on 8. So what I have to do with this 3, I will keep it as a remainder here next to the number. I will put it here as a remainder, and it will be R3. Like this. So the quotient, the answer for the division, which is here 8,523 divided 8 equals what? Equals 1,000 here. 1,065 and R3. This is the quotient or the answer. Yes, then type your question, please. Now, there is a step I can do it to check if my answer is correct or not. There is a step I can do it to check if my quotient here or the answer is correct or not. What is this step? The step told me that you can use or you can take this quotient. I will take it. Okay. You can take this quotient, which is 1,065. Okay. This is the quotient. And multiply with the divisor, which is 8. Multiply it with the divisor. That's mean to check if my answer, this answer is correct or not, I will use the inverse operation for the division, which is the multiplication. The inverse operation for the division is the multiplication. So I can choose this operation to check if my answer is correct or not. So what I have to do, I have to take the quotient and multiply it with the divisor. Let's multiply it. Who will help me on the chat? Now, 8 multiply, you know how we will multiply the one-digit number with multi-digit number. First thing I will start. 8 multiply 5 equals 40. So I will put 0 here and 4 above the 6. 8 multiply 6 equals what? 8 multiply 6 equals 48. Very good, Doha. Plus 4. This is a 4. I'm sorry. I will write it again. 48 plus 4 equals 52. Very good. So I have to regroup the number. Put 2 here and 5 above the hundreds. 8 multiply 0 equals 0. Plus 5 equals 5. So I will put the 5 here in the hundreds digit. Now 8 multiply 1 equals 8. Okay. This is the check? No, I have a remainder with me. So if I have a remainder, I have to add the remainder to this one, to this answer. I have the remainder. It's okay, Kayan. I have the remainder. So I have to add the remainder to this product. So add the remainder. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And I will keep the same tens, the same hundreds, okay, the same thousands. So look, if the answer is the same dividend, that's mean the quotient is correct. Look, the answer is 8,523. The same dividend, that's mean my answer or the quotient is correct. So if you want to check your answer is correct, you can. You can in division. You can check your answer is correct or the quotient is correct or not. Multiply the quotient, this quotient with the divisor. Then add the remainder. Multiply the quotient with the divisor and add the remainder. This is the R. Okay? So if the answer is the same dividend, that's mean the quotient is correct. Okay, girls? The quotient is correct. Any question? No. No, Noura. Okay, if you have any question, please type the question in the chat. Okay, if you have any question, please type the question in the chat, girls. Another question? No, there is no homework today because we will not finish the lesson today. Okay, so I think there is no question. Let's solve another example, girls, on page 261. I want to solve this example for you. Yes, you have to do all those steps. Look, Zan, this step, this long division to find the quotient, but this step to know if your quotient is correct or not. The check step is to know if your quotient is correct or not. Okay, now let's divide 8,000 or 800 here. 852 divided 4. Girls, I will take only 5 minutes from the break because we lose 5 minutes from the session. I know you have a science, but of course you have a break between those two periods. So please. Okay? Yes, I will take only 5 minutes, girls, to solve this example, okay? So, first thing, I will start from the first number on the left side. So, 8. 8 divided 4. 8 divided 4 equals what? What is the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 8. Stop typing on the chat, please. Stop typing on the chat. What is the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 8. Very good, Lana. It's 2. Very good, Kenzie. So the first digit in the quotient is 100. So, and this digit will be 2. Now I will multiply 2 with 4. 2 multiply 4 equals 8. So I will put this 8 here. Then I will subtract. Now 8 minus 8 equals 0. Now I will take the 10th here. I will divide the 10th. 5. Now 5 divided 4. How many 4s in 5? How many 4s in the 5? Very good, Bisan. Very good, Zain. Very good, Lana. So I have only 1 4 in the 5. So it's 1 in the 10th digit. Now, very good, girls. Very good, Sema and Rimas and Lara. Now 1 multiply 4 equals 4. Then I will subtract. 5 minus 4 equals what? Equals 1. Very good, Bisan. What I have to do, I will take the ones digit and put it next to the 1. So it will be 12. Now, 12 divided 4. What is the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 12. What is the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 12. Which number I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 12. It's 3. Very good, girls. That's mean 12 divided 4 equals 3 in the ones digit, because we divide here, we are dividing ones number. Now 3 multiply 4 equals 12. Then I will subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0, 1 minus 1 equals 0 also. Okay? There is a check step here. There is a check step. I will check if my quotient is correct or not. So the quotient here is 213. 213. If I want to know if the quotient is correct or not, the check step is told me that you have to divide, or sorry, you have to multiply here the quotient by the divisor. The quotient by the divisor. Let's multiply. I have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. That means I will use the inverse operation for division, which is multiplication. Let's see. 4 multiply 3 equals what? 4 multiply 3 equals 12. So I have to regroup the number. I will put 2 here and 1 above the 10. Now 4 multiply 1 equals what? 4 multiply 1 equals 4. Plus 1, 4 plus 1 equals 5. So I will put 5 in the 10th digit. Now 4 multiply 2 equals 8. So I will put 8 in the hundredths digit. So look, the answer is what? 852. The same dividend. Look, the same dividend. This answer is the same dividend. That's mean my quotient is correct. The quotient is correct. Okay? Yes, my answer is correct. So this is how I will divide. Okay, divide the numbers. Any question, girls? You have any question? Yes, then type your question quickly. Quickly, I'm waiting your questions. And did you finish, girls? Did you finish this example? Okay, very good questions there. Thank you. Then ask me, did we have to do plus here? Do you have a remainder here, Zan? Do you have a remainder? Do you have a remainder here? No, I don't have a remainder. I don't have a remainder here. So that's mean I will not do the plus step here. I will not add the remainder because I don't have any remainder here. If I don't have any remainder, that's mean I will not add any number to the answer. Okay? If you have a remainder, that's mean you have to add it to the final answer for this multiplication. Okay, okay. So thank you, girls. I'm sorry because I take 5 minutes from your break. So the period is finished. Thank you so much. We will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow you will participate with me to divide numbers. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.